In this video, we're going to go over how to install the fixed car diagnostic tool that's personally helped me save a lot of money on my car. So let's talk tech. So after you've unboxed the fixed tool, then we're going to get into the installation process. So after you've unboxed it, you're going to locate your OBD port. The OBD port is the port in your car that connects directly into the computer. You're usually going to find it to the bottom left of the steering wheel or to the bottom right for our international viewers. But I have also seen it in some cars where it's in the behind the glove box or under the glove box. So take a good look around your car, find that OBD port, and if all else fails, Google or YouTube your specific car model, and you'll be able to find the OBD port to be able to install this device in your car. So after you've found the port and you know where you're going to plug the device into, don't plug it in just yet. Next, you're going to want to download the app. I'll have the app linked down below for you to pick the right app on either Apple or Android, whichever device you're using. So that way you're downloading the correct app, because there are some fake apps that are out there and obviously you don't want to install the wrong one, so I'll have the right one linked down below for you. Next, you're going to want to follow the on-screen instructions for the setup process. A lot of it is really simple, creating an account and then plugging in some very basic information about your car. It'll all prompt you in real time and it's very quick and easy, very basic questions. You will then come to a step where it prompts you to then plug in the fixed tool into the OBD port of your car that you found earlier in one of the earlier steps, and it's at this point you're going to plug it in. Now, after you've plugged in the fixed tool, you're then going to see that it's going to be blinking, which means that now the tool is talking to your phone that has the app installed. Then you're pretty much ready to go. At that point, the installation is done, and you're basically just going to hit the button right on your phone that says Start Scan. And so that'll be your first scan, where it's basically going to run through all the diagnostics of the car, and it's going to tell you if you have any check engine codes. And what's really cool about Fix is that it will also tell you a little bit about each of the codes that you might have on your car. So if you have a P1101 code, it's actually going to tell you exactly what that code means. For the most part, it's going to give you some basic information. If you need to Google some more, then it'll also give you a link to be able to Google more information. And if you pay for the paid version, it'll actually give you some cost breakdowns of what this specific repair might actually cost, what is a normal range for a price. But I'll be honest, myself, I use the free version. It's been perfect for me. So if you found value in this video, definitely drop us a like and check out this video right here where I actually mentioned the fixed tool along with other tools and things that I use for road trips. It makes road trips more fun and just a lot easier, and just a whole bunch of stuff. So definitely check out that video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.